And thank you all that support my niece before she passed off again.
Yeah.
Always have her in thought. Always have her in mind. Because she's a nice person.
Just
I'm not understanding now. I guess what my best niece because she's the only one can reason with best niece. I ask me, I tell you, I should buy 93 and my daughter buy 93. Say, but slow me a talk about. And the day you come and talk to her, and they choose a morning, I go up there with the porridge and she drink the porridge. Nice porridge, man, nice man. You don't want you put on me, when you put on the tummy frock like your tummy blows. That I'm sure I got a chest.
Yeah.
My beard are off.
Sure.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Hi, I'm his mommy.
Are you his mommy?
Yeah.
Hello.
Say hi, Kino.
Hi, Kino.
Sure. Where's my fan?
Yes, Kino.
Sing
song for him.
Sing it now. Sing it for me.
Every day I'm watching that. Every day.
Well, you're gonna see yourself now, you know.
Every day I'm watching. Sing song for him.
You're gonna see yourself now. Me don't know what them a breathe about. Hey, a keynote. And I'll sing it. Yes, every day I watch it.
Every day. Me I watch every day. You don't miss me at that. Every series I watch. Every series. So every day he want me Kino. Kino say, right, anytime I see him.
Yeah.
So me I pass and I said, see Kino there, Baba?
Yeah. Baba.
But no, you're shy.
Yeah, you're shy now. Never mind. You're gonna see yourself now.
Tell him what's your name.
What's your name?
Yeah. Tell him what his name. Tell him what is his name.
What is it? Safari. You being a good boy? Sure. In school as well? Make sure, you know. Yeah?
Yes.
Big up yourself, yeah?
Alright, Kino.
Hey. Look and smile now, cause you see me now, be a smile. Who's happy now? Excuse your hand for your face. You're happy now? Why are you so happy? She's shy. Why are you so shy now? Now talk to me. Look now. What do you look vexed and through? I know you're alright. Hello. Nah, you know. Alright then. Shy. Shy, go do it. Bring one come.
You know what I say? When I remember.
Oh, she remember what for
Remember? Yeah. Right? Because the other day was so vexed. You know, everyone see them and said, no, she need to get a tablet. So someone literally buy you a tablet now, so you have your tablet. Look now, what they shall screw with here now. Serious, you know. Serious. Where am I with this? Shall come? Yeah, I see you. No one see you. One see her as well. Call her, tell her to come now like up there, so. Yeah, so alright then. So my friend, look for a smile. Smiling. So this is your tablet. Thanks. So you're gonna thank Martin and Deborah.
And thank Martin.
So thank Martin and Deborah. Thank you. Say it.
Say it. Martin and Deborah.
She gets shy. Yeah. What's your name? Oh, Zinika. Zinika get extra shy, you know. Alright, then Annie, what going? How is everything?
Bad.
I know it's bad right now. It's really tough. Trying to understand the situation, you know. So what they're saying about it? We call it autopsy, anything?
Well, the autopsy, the auntie don't just get the paper, you know, cause it's like them no want give up the paper for put her on one funeral home we used to. Them put her on one funeral over them one. Because 285,000 which the next funeral home that take 200,000.
Yeah.
And right now, as I'm tell you about the father in the first part, this man when I go to him, my brother he said, no Annie, no say that to people because it's when people get you out, you got talk.
Yeah.
And guess what? Everybody will listen to me again and who passed them some sham and who said this and who said that. I'm going to tell you something. My niece, she never go on the road go buy it. Her baby father give it to her. Everybody can get that mistake. Once you have a husband or a baby father will go out there, them can carry, come give on the same way. So don't talk like that's something shocking. I don't know something shocking and it bury my heart to hear what we my people say. Because my niece never go out there go catch them and her baby father get it. And from you deal with that man, I'm a go out and I come here. Anybody, anyone out here as a woman can get it too.
Yeah.
So sickness are for everybody. Me a talk to know, it tastes of my heart and it moves. I don't want to drop no more tears, I want strong.
Yeah.
The Lord said me for strong up honey.
Yeah.
Because when I see the situation and how it go, anywhere they out there, Chantel, you follow me, my dear.
Yeah.
Suki, anywhere they out there, this is Auntie attack and me attack with tears. Anywhere they out there, remember say you have woman family. The same thing you do to my niece, somebody is out there want to do to your family. I'm have you for it. Yeah. Because you know you did sick, and you come to my niece and that was it. She never buy it. People, she never buy it. So our pass them some sham can drop it now. Yeah, because right now she drop out, they hurt my heart.
Yeah.
Because me up there with, she upstairs with me right now.
Yeah.
Where's my cook stew piece, so she did it. So, right now, I'm still eating her tears. As there's so much dead but in the family. When I talk to Suki, you know what you do. You know if I find you, but Father God, I got to find you for us. I say it's simple matter. Yeah.
Okay, so the baby father pass it on to her?
Yes.
So you man already in a relationship at the time?
She and him did live on a race closely.
But they live together?
Yeah.
Okay. So he might come look for the daughter or anything for them.
But we don't know which part him there, because he pass it on to his wife, and the wife must find out time. We don't know him.
So him they married as well?
When him leave from round a race, him go Portmore, go leave and marry.
So sorry because it touch a lot of viewers, you know. A lot of people call me, touch them and call.
I'm not understand, you know.
Yeah,
I guess my best niece because she's the only one can reason with. Best niece. I ask me, I tell you.
Yeah.
I should buy 93 and my daughter buy 93. Say, but slow when me I talk about. Right? And the day you come and talk to her, and they choose the morning, I go up there with the porridge and she drink the porridge. Nice porridge, man, nice man. You don't want you put on me, when you put on the Tommy frock like your Tommy blows, that time she got a chest.
Yeah.
My beard are off.
And I know you feel it really bad, you know, because you make a lot of people cry as well because they see the pain where you feel, you know, and the prayer where they say it touch a lot of people, man, I tell you know, it touch a lot. And feel right now, wow.
Right now, she Auntie get a fight by living, and she still get a fight by death. Right, so she dead, she still get the fight the same way, but me I try to keep the peace, as the mother said. Me I try to hold it. Me I tell you the truth, me I try to hold it because me don't know for money people want to have for Auntie. But as I tell you already, I wish I could have throw the money and turn it back in a miracle and bring it back right here. Yeah, because the truth when me done with Auntie, I got told she spend 14,000 per sheep, buy some other things to Auntie. Never know so Auntie are dead. But then me get the call and everybody I say, when you come up, and me just turn to her and say, Chantel, why look like say Auntie dead and them not want to tell me? Because through that, don't answer. Yeah. And she started back and the next day was her birthday. And it's so sad to say the mother dropped out before her birthday. Yeah. Because she did at the hospital here, she did over there in van. And I said, Jano, life goes on. Some people, I don't know, you know. I have two sisters with dead. I know I can't come out of the pain. I know my still can't come out of the pain.
Yeah.
So I try my best.
It's not gonna be easy though.
I try my best.
Not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy. So and I've got a lot of people who contact me, so I'm gonna try and support her. We got viewers said I'm gonna try and support her to make sure that she will go back to school and try to support her because you know a lot of the people them call me. Some of them say them been through the same thing in my family and the same situation and them really feel it for her. And know so well the younger daughter now I gonna need any form of support she can get. So you have viewers who say them gonna try them best and make sure them support her and they fear right through, you know, because this is the time when you definitely are gonna need for their own her more than ever. You know, so this is what they said to me. So eventually we can try and get some support for her. And them gonna try to find out the size, cause what size she wearing and shoes. Like what size she wearing shoes? 3. So 3 in shoes. And like what size are we wearing clothes? Like what size are we wearing clothes?
I'm gonna buy medium because my body not really big.
Medium, so medium should I wear Annie? Kids medium. Right. Alright, so should we wear size 3 in shoes and kids medium. So you just give me a little time to one time, you know, because I know through the kind of pandemics out there, most people ain't working, so them call and say them gonna try them best and make something happen, you know. So just we'll give them a little time, you know, till them can settle, but they will definitely try to get the support. Because there's someone as well to send a tablet, because them asked me to ask if she goes school, you know, like she the school online class, and she said she used to use her mother phone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have a Madonna will watch a program and then decide to make she get a tablet as well too, so she can do her schoolwork. So this is for her, and this is from Lydia from the UK, so she can do her schoolwork on it. So you can just tell Lydia thanks.
Lydia?
Yeah, from the UK.
Lydia, good evening or good night. Thank you. I donate a tablet to my niece. I do a mother fall out. Thank you for the support. God be with you and this.
You want to tell Lydia thanks? Yeah, there's a tablet there. So you can just tell Lydia thanks.
Thank you, Lydia, for this tablet.
So, God bless it. So I also have $2,000 for her as well too. From a place of love. $2,000 for her. A place of love.
Are the same person?
No, different. This is from a place of love.
Okay.
This person is in Jamaica.
Place of love. Place of love. Thank you for this $2,000 to Chantel. Hope you keep her in thoughts all the time. God be with you and bless you. Thank you.
Yeah, God bless you. And I know it's really rough right now, you know. So how it is for funeral?
As I said to you, because the money they give you what year, we use it up. Not 9 nights.
Yeah.
And as I said to you, say we have a funeral plan for 200,000. Our father bring it somewhere. It's 285,000. Which now is like he wants some backup towards
the
it.
funeral,
Yeah. But I know I can't control the 9 nights. Still, but that's the funeral we are talking.
So you need support towards the funeral.
Support towards.
Yes, it's understandable, so that's definitely needed, you know. And
because the father they put it to the 5th, I try to him say we're not ready for the 5th. I better put it to the 12th. That's how the rest of people can come in.
So so you put on a deposit already? Forget the date?
Yeah, we have for the 12th.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't use the 5th.
Okay.
And thank you all that support me needs before she passed off again.
Yeah.
Always have her in thought. Always have her in mind. Because she's a nice person.
Just I know you feel it bad, you know. Feel it for you even more, you know.
Yeah, but I have to just put the thought and trust in the Lord.
Yeah.
Get up every day and talk to him. Him know best. God, probably him sister Sheila go through too much pain. Probably the pain she feel, we not feel it. We just a hearts. Probably Father God know what's best. Probably Father God know when I'm gonna know what kind of treatment she go through and then something there. Me not know, but God know. God alone know. I swear for God. I don't know when I'll get over Auntie. Because Auntie is the only one who come on morning time. Shante. And she called me. I look up for breakfast. My son come. And she come up there and she sit down and she will tell me everything. But as I say, that my 2 sisters them and they pass off. And she has a friend as also a niece that's reason with me. And the reason they're there again. As I say, God knows what's best.
Yeah.
Only Father God knows what's
Only
best.
Father God knows.
Yeah.
Only Father God knows. And me I tell you, man, we're definitely gonna be there for you, you know?
Yeah.
Because me I tell you, man, we're really definitely gonna be there for you. You know, because we have to be there for her.
Yeah.
You know, because you know she's quite young now. She not really feel or understand too much what go on.
No.
So we have to be there for her now for when time she start to realize, you know, after a while. Because it's gonna be rough, you know. So because a lot of them that wonder who's gonna be in control and take care of her. So I was telling that you was gonna be the one who's gonna be taking care of her, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna always
But
be
before this upstation, my mother always there.
up at you.
Yeah.
Okay. So we just wanna confirm that because a lot of them ask, you know, so I'm already explain to them. So now they know that so you're the one that's in charge of her then, you're gonna take care of her. So if anything what comes up, I'll be coming, you know, I would thank you, see me for being there right through, you know, it sounded so sad for what's going on now. This is her and there, right?
Yeah. This is my sister now.
My sister, yeah. And this is her. Sure, Raquel Weir.
Yeah.
And that's a runner from Jamaica as well, too, you know. The name Weir. Jamaican runner. Annie, I'm gonna keep you in contact, right?
Yeah.
Definitely. And the viewers and donors, I'm gonna keep you in their prayers. Yeah? We're gonna try our best and see what kind of support we can come up with towards the funeral as well, yeah?
Yeah.
We'll see what can go on. So no matter how small it is, we're gonna try our best. Yeah? Angela.
Good afternoon, Kino.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
How's your day?
Not bad.
Okay.
How is yours?
Good so far, thank God.
We give thanks. How you pose for me, sir?
No, I'm not poor. Look at that, man.
It's a talk. I'm see like your boss pose a while ago and be a thing.
I'm a good man.
I'm good. Alright, mommy.
Yeah, man, I'm good too. Glad to see you, know?
Yeah, me too.
Alright, and so.
Yeah. Yeah, man, glad to see you as well too, you know?
Yeah, I see Miss
Glad to see.
Monica down
And Miss Monica here as well too.
Yeah.
Miss Monica. Oh, go on. Alright.
I'm not too bad. I am
Not too
too
bad.
expected old age pain. Well, by my own.
I want to not feel so
I
well.
tell you, say I have fever, I have flu.
I'm a fever.
The bad flu that we have around, man.
Oh.
Not COVID, just the flu.
Just a flu.
The flu.
You might take something for it?
Yeah, man, we feed him up. Well, we now. We feed him up. We feed him up today. We dose him and
Oh, make him
souse
Josie.
down and give him some istusin and some ginger tea and everything that you can think of.
Did I say make him Josie?
Make him Josie while sleep.
Oh, you feel weak? You feel weak? So, yeah, we have donation, I have two donation phone as well too. Like how you not feel so well, I got sort it out so. And you can get a chance and you can go back and go lie down.
Yeah, man, he want to go lay down time. And through the chair, never use it, run out of manual, I have to push it.
Oh, the chair not a juice?
You run out of juice.
No energy in it. Oh, you have to always keep it charged, man.
Yeah, you know, use it once up through, you know what man, the people that you can't left him outside with the wheelchair. And
Oh.
we don't have no yard inside, and they're on the outside. And because of that, you know.
Let's put him right there so we can see it.
And in case you are alright.
I'm alright, man. I'm alright, I don't feel so well. Mother, yeah.
The amount of sauce and get down to the and all the history me knock you out to 6, you know, that make you want to sleep.
What about the pill?
No man, that one cold medicine, one expensive cold medicine.
Oh,
Near Istatusin.
Easter too soon.
But it's that Easter soon.
It's a two sin.
Me no
I-
argument with you.
Oh.
It's that same.
When you drink it, it make you drowsy
Not
and
yours.
make you sleep.
Okay.
Yeah, make you sleep.
Oh.
Right, Angela, right. Alright.
Oh, when
When you don't
it
come
has,
over me,
oh,
I
Easter
go
soon.
Eh,
Come look on the back of me.
yeah, but to all your pronounce not
It's
to in
two
it.
sin. TUSSIN. What is it?
Yeah, but I'm not saying pronounce it, Monica.
Alright.
Ah, boom. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. So, Angela.
No, Kino, back again.
Yeah, seems like you've been keeping well.
Very
Oh,
much.
two shall be cup. The drinking rum and Red Bull.
Busted.
Buster.
She drink
Man,
pasta.
yeah, Buster. Don't drink too much of those soda, you
Oh,
know.
man.
Drink more water.
It mixed with water.
Yeah, why not too much sugar and them thing there?
It mixed with water.
Too much sugar. Alright, because I'm not keeping it too long
Yeah.
because him not feel so well,
Yeah.
you know, so now donation all good and so he can just
Yeah.
bring him go out, make him go.
My son in a Kino, but he must sleep.
He must sleep.
Yeah, me left him asleep.
Oh,
Yeah, me I go bring him one evening to the the 19th time birthday, you know,
the
Kino.
19.
Yeah,
What did they say wrong with your son again?
yeah, him kinda retarded.
Oh,
Feel? Him not, the when can't move up and down, he move up and down, but him brain small.
oh, him brain small.
So we remember today, him not remember it like something that man yesterday.
Yeah.
All in the evening, if him see person, we say, Mummy, you know, so and so that day there, and you know,
Yeah.
we kind of mix it up still. Yeah, because when it come the same day, him not remember at the same time, we say it till the other day. So, through him brain small,
Yeah,
him not really contain much.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I understand.
Actually, my sleep, me never can.
How much now? How much?
To my party.
Maybe 40. Maybe 40.
Yeah, the 19th.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, actually, my sleep, me never carry him.
Next time you can
Yeah, man, me bring him. Yeah, me bring him even one evening come.
Yeah,
When you over here, you just call me
yeah.
and make me bring him.
Yeah, man, no problem. Alright then, so my big friend Angela there up on the block.
Yeah.
You know the thing.
Always.
Always, you know, Angela herself. So, how him legs? Him legs alright now?
No,
Him foot
sir.
alright? Him foot still?
In Kingston.
Still the same. You not go back to doctor feet eh?
Your foot stay there now. And the knee you stay the same way like the one now. The bottom of the foot okay, but the knee leak out. And the weight when them put on it.
So, you go back since the last time we spoke?
No, so the appointment no come yet, must be about November, December.
Them time they might get the appointment.
Some then if we go back up for December. About 1 year appointment then.
1 year?
I tell you, so them are kind of show me.
Yeah.
Because we go to a department and then write a letter to come.
Okay. Because you know we have a lot of new viewers on the
Yeah.
program, you know. So we just want to highlight them, you know, the situation we might go through. So they can just tell them in current situation we might go through. Like any problem.
Look here. I don't know, but me can't tell you what. Them say a kidney have kidney problem. They are not treating the kidney because he was getting some herbal medicine. There is no changes. You understand me?
Oh, that one
The foot, him can't stand up on the foot. As you see the foot, and the knee is just the same thing. And him body get the farm. Him body get the farm.
And them said this caused by the kidney disease and say?
I don't know what them says it, I don't know, but him walk go in the hospital and when they put on the weight, on him foot.
And they them put on some weight on his legs.
Yeah, on his legs, and when he come back, I saw him steer. He get worse, he can't walk. Right, he get worse every day, he can't walk, he walk on him battle.
So ever since from then, he never really get a chance to go back to the doctor then?
No, he didn't get any chance, so we take him to, with couple, look at a time rare, we never like him stay, so we came to Josie. And they do some ultrasound, x-ray and blood some and come back. Well, they are saying, what the doctor is saying only, she said one of the kidney is bad and it cannot be treated out here.
Oh.
You understand me? And so she write a letter to public. And public, I must see some, remember March, April we go. And the appointment for public you to come is about December, I believe.
December time, so that's a year time from last year to now.
From about March, anyway, December to come with him.
Yeah.
And him getting weak, as me tell you, so him getting
So, wait.
full of it.
Okay. So them say about him brain, what are they gather water as well?
I don't know because him used to be trapped in the boy going to school, but so to me, him 17, I'm going at 18 now, so that's his size, that would be his size.
Yeah.
A bit up high, you understand me?
Yeah,
because he does resemble his mother.
He resembles his mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he would be, but...
So when am I going to be 18? Is it this year, man?
When you're going to be...
This year you're 18? Oh, next year. Next year I'm 18. So he used to play football too? No. He used to do sports? Any sports? No sports. Oh. So and he used to walk and everything.
Yeah, man. I mean, we're supposed to take a picture. I'm going to take the picture and send it to you. I'm going to send the picture to your phone. Make you see what it went up to 3 years ago, 3-4 years ago when he was.
And them say the foot can get back better, can treat?
I don't know. Them saying can't get treatment here. The doctor write a letter.
That's for the kidney, right?
Yeah.
So what about him legs?
I saw them no say nothing about it. And it was me who going with him. It was his mother who going. So I don't know what the doctor said to her.
What you say?
So when we reach 18, I take one surgery.
Oh, when you reach 18, you take one surgery. Okay. Oh, so then say the doctor said when you reach 18.
But look at this. Look at this, Kino. This come out of the disc, you know. You see what I'm saying?
Like it dislocated.
Yes, him cannot stand up on it because this, what can be done to this again now? You know, she said, this come out complete.
Them probably know ways where we don't know. Because I say, you can move it and everything.
Yeah.
So all them probably got to do is like to set it back. Them have ways how them can do it. They probably just come out of the socket where you can go back. Because it not swell up.
Pain him there, he can't stand up on it.
Yeah. You see him move it, so.
Yeah, but he can't stand up on it.
So the best thing is, well, them say I'm going to make him get the operation.
When he 18. Him set up because them talk to the doctor.
Yeah, so when I'm 18, hopefully, you know, let us go and keep a finger crossed. And if anyone, if you hear anything about the situation, we can get some information, we can inform you, let you know what I'm going.
Like a professional, a kidney specialist or something, if anything can be done to the kidney, if the kidney is that bad, what can be done to it?
And them say that's overseas. Overseas. So my friend Angela, they are waiting for me. We're not keep you waiting too long, yeah? Now all our meds. Alright then. I'm just show all our meds. Angela.
Good evening, Kino.
Yeah, again. And the month of evening I get fire, my evening can't get worse, stuff to get good. Nothing more good. I've got a donation for you.
Yeah.
You know, so when I give you the donation, you're gonna count it and they can just tell the donor thank you how much, right? So first, I have $5,000 for you. Let me tell you from who? From Audrey and Claudette. They are from Toronto. So this is $5,000 for you from Audrey and Claudette from Toronto.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much, Claudia and
Audrey
and
Claudette, yeah.
May your store basket never empty. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yeah, so we give thanks to Claudette. Evening, so we give thanks to Claudette and Audrey.
Yes, thank you very much, Claudia and
Yeah, so you have $5,000 from the Raccoon family from the US. So this is $5,000 from the Raccoon family.
Thank you very much for the Raccoon family. Thank you very much. God bless you. May your store basket never empty. Continue doing what you're doing. Thank you very much.
Yeah, because you say you want some support and some food, right?
Yes,
and then
yes,
you could
thank
think,
you.
so you know that can buy some food for the time being. If anything else come up, I'll keep you informed same way.
Yes.
You know, so give thanks to Audrey and
thanks to
Claudette.
Audrey and
Thank you so
Claudia
much from
the US.
from Toronto.
From Toronto.
And you have the Raccoon family
Raccoon family
from the US.
From the US. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so this is Angela, you know, my good friend Angela. So we give thanks to all the donors then that reach out.
Thank you very much, donors.
Yeah, alright, and now we have Ricardo. We have Ricardo here as well too. So we have $5,000 as well too. You're gonna count it for him, right? So we have $5,000 for Ricardo from the Raccoon family from the US.
Well, Ricardo, hold the money and take the thing out.
You can't count it.
Hold it in your hand, take the thing out the mouth.
No, you can't keep it and count it for you, man. Just count it in your hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you can just tell the Raccoon family thanks.
Thank you very much, Raccoon family. God bless you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your donation.
Ricardo, so Ricardo, you can tell them as well.
Thank you, Raccoon family.
Look in the camera.
Thank you very much. Well appreciated.
Yeah. Alright then, so we give thanks. You know, we give thanks, and if anything else comes up, I will keep you up to date. Okay?
God bless you.
Yeah man, thank you so much man. Yeah, mommy?
Alright.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so next time I will see your son then.
Yeah.
Next time. Angela?
Yeah.
Next time then, right?
Yeah, man. Thank you.
I'll
very
keep
much.
you up to date when anything comes up, saying
Thank you very much.
Alright, then God bless you.
You must sleep.
Watch her now. You see, life in Jamaica. You hear that Carey Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch her now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.